Hello friends, today we are dealing about Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, which was an initiative taken by NDA government, and the main objective is housing for all. Here Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin are launched to achieve housing for all by 2022. Mission should be completed by 2022. And the main objectives intended here is to construct 2 crore houses across the nation. This was the first objective, and later it also covers the entire urban area consisting of 4041 statutory towns. What are statutory towns? They may be municipalities, corporations, cantonment boards or notified areas where the population exceeding 5000 and 75% of the male population engaged in non-agricultural pursuits. So 4041 statutory towns with initial focus on 500 class 1 cities. So objectives were to construct 2 crore houses across nation and to cover entire urban area consisting of 4041 statutory towns. And intended beneficiaries for this program: poor people, that is are below poverty line, BPL, and the people living under EWS. What is meant by EWS means economical weaker section. And LIG categories. What is meant by LIG? Low income group. Economically weaker section people income is up to 1 lakh rupees, and LIG people income will be 1 to 2 lakh of rupees. And the people under MIG, middle income group, their income lies between 6 lakhs to 18 lakhs. So people under MIG is also beneficiary for this program, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. What are the salient features of this program? Ownership of the houses in the name of women or jointly with husband. So in the name of women, they are doing the ownership of that respective house which was built by them. So priority for women is given in this area. Flexibility to states for choosing best options to meet the demand of housing. So cooperative federalism sort of concept was applied here. States was given their own flexibility, their own choice to choose the place and how many houses to be constructed in a particular area. Central grant of 1 lakh rupees on an average will be available under slum rehabilitation program also. And this Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is implemented in 3 phases. The phase 1 covers 100 cities, and it will start from April 2015 to March 2017. And these 100 cities were selected from all states and union territories as per their willingness. Phase 2 starts from April 2017 to March 2019. It covers additionally 200 cities. The phase 3 starts from April 2019 to March 2022. It covers all the remaining cities. So by the end of 2022, 2 crores of houses should be constructed according to this program. Geotagging for monitoring the process of construction of houses. So they are using science and technology to monitor the progress of construction, and also public financial management system to ensure electrical flow of fund, and technological submission to improve new construction technology. This was introduced in this scheme. Government has also sanctioned infrastructure status for the housing sector to boost this Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. So this is about the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, and I will come up with the other government initiative also. So please subscribe and hit a like button for us. Thank you.